So if we were to go back to our digitizing tool now, we could just do a left click, left, left click, left. Now we don't have to close the shape. Now you noticed here I started on a corner. I generally don't like to start on a corner. I like to start somewhere on a straight line somewhere. But if I go here, we don't have to close the shape. It will automatically close. So when we hit enter, you'll see now you have an applique shape. Now this is the same as any other shape. You can adjust the nodes. If I click here, I could delete this node. And the software works out how to create nice corners. Okay, so it will create nice corners for you. Like we did before with the nodes, if you start with a square, you can always change the shape just by going into reshape and pulling on the nodes. Because I did all left clicks, if I click a node and press the space bar, you can see it changes to a curve. So right clicks give you curves, left clicks give you squares.
So I hope you liked that video and you found it helpful. If you could give us a thumbs up, that would be great, and then a share to help spread the word, and then subscribe. Then you'll be notified of more videos that come out. And also if you'd like to make a comment, those things are helpful to us to bring you new things. Like, share, subscribe and make a comment. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. Bye.